Filing taxes each year can be a confusing and expensive task, especially with many platforms charging users for additional forms, state filing, or customer support. But what if you could do it all for free without sacrificing ease or accuracy? That's where Credit Karma Tax shines. Credit Karma Tax offers a completely free, easy to use online tax filing solution for individuals and families. Whether you're filing a simple W 2 return, itemizing deductions, claiming credits, or dealing with 1099 income, this platform walks you through the entire process step by step. It's designed for both first time filers and experienced users who want a stress free, no cost option to file their federal and state taxes confidently. In this video, we'll explore the features and benefits that make Credit Karma Tax one of the best free tax filing options today. We'll also look at why it's a smart choice for everyday taxpayers who want to take control of their finances without paying extra. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the 100% free filing for federal and state taxes. Credit Karma Tax allows you to file both your federal and state returns completely free. No upsells, no fees for additional forms, and no charges for e filing. You keep more of your refund and avoid paying for features that other tax platforms charge extra for. Another key feature is the easy step by step guidance. The interface guides you through a series of simple questions, making it easy to enter your income, deductions, and credits, even if you're not a tax expert. This reduces the chances of errors and helps ensure that you claim every deduction and credit you're eligible for. Another key feature is the support for multiple tax situations. Whether you're self employed, have rental income, itemized deductions, or are claiming dependents, Credit Karma Tax supports a wide range of tax scenarios. This makes it a solid choice for freelancers, contractors, and families, not just people with simple returns. Another key feature is the maximum refund guarantee. The platform includes a maximum refund guarantee, meaning you'll get the largest refund you're entitled to, or they'll reimburse the difference if you find a larger one with another service. This provides peace of mind and confidence that you're getting the best outcome possible. Another key feature is the accuracy check and audit defense. Credit Karma Tax performs a built in accuracy check before you file and includes audit defense tools to help you respond if the IRS has questions. This gives you added security and helps avoid costly mistakes that could trigger a tax audit. Another key feature is the easy import of W 2s and 1099s. You can snap a photo or upload your W 2, and the system will autofill much of your return. Manual entry options are also available for 1099s and other tax forms. This speeds up the process and reduces the risk of data entry errors. Another key feature is the seamless integration with Cash App. Since becoming part of the Cash App ecosystem, Credit Karma Tax has added even more convenience. You can track your refund status and manage your finances directly through the Cash App. So, this offers a modern, mobile friendly experience with added visibility into your money all in one place. So, why is Credit Karma Tax a great choice? Credit Karma Tax stands out because it truly democratizes the tax filing process. Unlike many platforms that advertise free filing but charge for specific forms or situations, Credit Karma Tax stays true to its promise. It doesn't nickel and dime users with hidden costs, which is especially important for students, gig workers, and families on a budget. Its straightforward interface, paired with robust support for a wide range of tax scenarios, means you can file with confidence even if you've never done your own taxes before. And with the backing of Cash App, it's now more connected to your everyday finances than ever before, making tax filing feel like a natural extension of your financial life. You can also benefit from a product that's continually improving, with a strong focus on accuracy, user experience, and refund optimization. Credit Karma Tax proves that you don't need to pay to get high quality tax software. So, in a world where tax software often comes with strings attached, Credit Karma Tax offers something refreshingly simple: completely free tax filing with for both federal and state returns. No hidden fees, no locked features, just a user-friendly, powerful tool that gets the job done. So, if you're looking for a way to file your taxes without stress and without spending a dime, Credit Karma Tax is one of the best platforms available in 2025. With its step by step guidance, support for complex returns, and integration with Cash App, it's built to help you file with confidence and maximize your refund. So, are you ready to file smarter this year? Try Credit Karma Tax and take control of your tax season today, 100% free and with zero compromise. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.